if your heating bill costs are going through the roof, the problem could be drafty windows and drafty doors, exclamation point.
There are
Absolutely.
some easy ways to help you stay warm this winter and save on your heating expenses.
All right, our friend home contractor Skip Bedell got out his hair dryer, and you're doing what a lot of people have been doing for a very long time, and this is a cheap way to warm up your house. It's with that insulated
It really
stuff.
is, yeah. So this is actually from 3M. So they make the best one on the market because it's the clearest film available. But this is a window insulator kit. It comes in different sizes for windows, even all the way up to a 9-foot patio door. But the principle is you take a double-sided tape like this Scotch brand double-sided tape, you stick it on, you put the sheet around it, so when it goes on, it first looks like this.
It's loose.
Yeah, it's loose, and then you trim off the excess with your knife, and then you basically just heat it up with a blow dryer, and it becomes completely clear.
It looks like plexiglass.
Yeah, it's
Then
really.
how do you take it off?
So you just peel it right off when it's done. So it's only a couple dollars and a couple of minutes of your time, but you completely seal up that window, all the drafts. Because when you have a leaky window, it's like throwing your money right out the window.
Exactly. In our living room, essentially, we've got a double door out to the patio, and it's a little drafty. So I did this last year, and it
unbelievable,
was like turning off the wind.
I've used these, and I have an old house, and some of the windows are original, and this really makes a big difference. And it's, it's only a couple of dollars. You take it off when you're done with it. And it's
Steve,
super
have
easy.
one of these for this year?
Absolutely, yeah. Take them with you. 3M window insulator kit, unbelievable stuff.
You brought other windows.
I did, yeah. So
what's going on
Larson Storm Doors and Windows, the leading name is Storm Doors and Windows. We've all seen storm windows, right? These have been around for decades. They mount over your existing window on the exterior of your home. Larson one-upped it. They have Energy Star rating now. This is a great way to add a second layer. They custom make them to your size window. A couple of screws, you put them on right over your existing window. Easy to do because replacing your windows completely very expensive, right?
So
great way to get a second layer.
That's on the outside of
This is on the outside. This is kind of an older technology, traditional. Let's go and see what's happening right now. This is new technology. So
inside the house.
This is inside. They're the only ones doing this. This is the comfort seal. So you measure the interior of your window. They send you this track-in window made to the size of your window. And watch how easy this is. You simply hang this on the track, right? And watch. You just put it in place, and you are sealed now. You're completely sealed on all four sides. You hear the noise here? Yeah. Watch the noise reduction. Up to 50% noise reduction as well.
Wow.
So if you live on a busy street or a noisy neighborhood, it's a great way to also seal up the sound.
So that is 2 layers of glass.
It's 2 layers of glass, and you have an Energy Star rating on it. It's a great way to get that second layer of protection, sealing up those drafty windows. And when you're done with it, you can take out the track. You can actually remove this. You can store them and put them in the garage for the summertime if you
Especially
like.
maybe you want to hear that song.
Yeah, maybe you do. That's AC/DC. Who doesn't want to hear that?
Yeah, I never tire of it.
And they're also known for making the best storm doors on the market. So they have an incredible selection of colors and styles, like this screenaway. It has a roll-up screen. I had them on in the spring for a curb appeal segment. It's a great way to dress up the front of your house, but it also adds that second layer over your front door, which is one of the biggest openings in the house. A lot of times people's front door drafty is letting out all that air, and you're literally throwing your money out the door. Right, when you seal them up. So it's a great way to do it.
Well, it's good. What do you do when you have a Great Pyrenees who opens up your storm door by himself and tries to run away?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do I do about that?
And locks you out of the house, right?
I think you need to have a double-sided lock so you can get from the outside and the inside.
1-800-SKIP-BEDELL.
Absolutely. SkipBedell.com.
And put a spare key under your mat.
That would be help.
You need to have one of those rocks with the key. You hide it in up in the garden.
Yeah, you told everybody.
Right? Look for Brian's
Now
rock.
where do we go? What's your address?
Yeah.
That's right.
If you'd like more information,
Yeah, SkipBedell.com.